Can y'all hear that? Can y'all hear that? That's the sound of the Pattaya Fireworks Festival. All these different countries compete to see who got the best fireworks. The streets is blocked off. I hate being in crowds, you guys. This happens once a year. I'm gonna get L and we gonna run down there. So y'all get ready. The Pattaya Fireworks Festival 2023. Let go. The Pattaya Fireworks Festival has a rich history that dates back to the 1990s. The Tourism Authority of Thailand and Pattaya City saw an opportunity to showcase Pattaya's beauty and attract more tourists to the area. They wanted to create an event that would leave a lasting impression on visitors and promote Pattaya as a top tourist destination. Over the years, the festival quickly gained popularity and grew in scale. As the festival gained traction and international recognition, more countries began to participate, including renowned fireworks experts from around the world, not to mention the generous cash prize for the winners. I've been to the festival over the last few years, and 2023 is by far the most people I've ever seen at Pattaya Beach. With a large number of countries getting involved and with advanced pyrotechnic technology, the fireworks displays have become more mesmerizing, awe-inspiring than ever before. But the festival's not just about fireworks. It also has become a celebration of culture with traditional Thai dance performances, live music, and delicious food from different regions of Thailand. The festival grounds are transformed into a vibrant and lively atmosphere where visitors can immerse themselves in the rich cultural heritage of Thailand. Overall, the Pattaya Fireworks Festival has grown from humble beginnings into a world-class event that showcases the beauty of Pattaya, brings together different cultures, and provides an unforgettable experience for all who attend. And here's the best part. With all these people in a crowded space, the festival went out without a hitch, without incident, without any drama, without any To them, this is normal, but from where I come from, this is a major miracle. But enough of all that talk, let's get down to the fireworks. Richie Mac style. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, a sleepy beach town called Pattaya decided to have a fireworks festival. The dark side of the Force decided to get it on with the Jedis for one final time. They were met by withering fire. music.
Soon to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
And if you haven't joined yet, you should also consider joining our Patreon, where I can show you the things I can't show you on YouTube, as well as discounts on merchandise, consultations, throwback DJ mixes are made for you to listen, drive, and work out to. And most important, by joining the Patreon, you'll be able to get in direct contact with the Travel OG. You dig? Memberships start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Oh yeah, and you might also want to join just to support your boy and keep the movement going. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.